in there. It's in Daddy's pickup. What do you think it is?
Where's Daddy's, where's my pies go?
What is that?
What is it?
Daddy,
What is it?
murder! Daddy,
Look at this.
That is so cool, buddy.
Get over
Okay, get on.
the motorcycle.
On your own motorcycle?
Look at that. You got foot pegs. You can
Oh,
put your
my
foot on the
goodness.
pegs. Put your feet on the pegs. Put this other foot on the peg.
I thought you took a little motorcycle.
There you
Will
go.
it coast?
You don't have your
Use the brake.
He should probably have a helmet on.
What do you think?
Is it going?
Watch this.
a little bit heavier than his trailer.
It's a little taller too. Put your feet up. Let's go adjust this so it can go faster.
Can you lower it?